Am I audible, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in our previous class, I discussed about the collimation method. Okay. So now today I discuss about the rise and fall method, which is required for our fieldwork leveling. So now, what is the basic differences between the collimation method and rise and fall method? So this method, both collimation and rise and fall methods are basically used for the leveling. So first is the collimation method is more rapid, but the rise and fall methods, it is simple but slow. And as a staff reading of the successive stations are compared to gate rise or fall. So this method gives a visual indication of the topography. So, but the collimation is a most rapid method. Hmm. And next is there are two arithmetical checks, that is summation of BS backside and minus summation of FS is equals to RL of the last station minus the RL of the first station is used for the collimation method. But in the rise and fall method, the summation of BS minus FS is equals to summation of rise minus summation of fall equals to RL of the last station minus RL of the first station. Okay. So, and since there is no check of RL of the intermediate station errors, if any in the intermediate sites are not detected for the collimation method. But in the rise and fall method, since there is the complete check on the RLs of the intermediate station and errors, if any in the intermediate sites are also detected for the rise and fall method. And most studies of the longitudinal leveling and the cross-sectional leveling and contouring is used, collimation methods are used, but the rise and fall is well studied for the determining the differences of the levels of 2 points where the uh, precision is required, and establishing the new backbenches is sorry, new benchmarks is required. So there the rise and fall method is required. So now, okay, is it visible? Is it visible?
No, sir.
Sir, it's loading. Yes, sir.
Now it's loaded.
Is it visible now, the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, लास्ट क्लास में जो मैथ हुआ था वही एक बार रिपीट करो. हाँ, वही मैथ होगा, कोलिनेशन मेथड में हुआ था. अभी फील्ड वर्क में कैसे राइज एंड फॉल मेथड में लेवलिंग किया जा सकता है, उसमें यही देखना पड़ेगा. तो एनीवन क्वेश्चन बताओ. दिशा बताओ.
Sir, I was not in the last class.
बताओ अर्को प्रभु.
Yes, the following consecutive reading
The
following consecutive reading
reading
were taken
where? Yes.
with a level
Yes.
and a 4-meter staff
Yes. हाँ बताओ.
and a 4-meter staff
And a 4 meter staff
on a continuously
on a continuously
sloping ground.
sloping ground. Okay,
at,
country places working.
ground,
Okay.
ground
Okay. Country places
at
working
a common interval of
common interval of
of 30 meter,
30 meter.
and the points are 0.780,
0.78.
780,
Okay. Next,
1.535,
1.535. Next,
1.955,
1.955. Okay. Next,
2.430,
2.430. Okay.
2.985,
2.985. Okay.
3.480,
3.480. Next,
1.155,
1.55. Next,
1.960,
1.960. Next,
2.365,
2.365. Okay.
3.640,
3.640. Next,
0.935,
0.935.
yes, 0.935,
5. Okay.
1.045,
1.045. Next,
1.630,
1.630. Okay.
and 2.545.
2.545. Okay.
The reduced level,
And just a minute.
yes, sir,
The reduced level
of the
of the
first point,
first point,
capital A,
okay,
was 180.750 meter.
180.750.
750 meter.
Okay.
Full stop. Rule out the page
Roll out the page
of level field book.
of level of
Field
level.
field book
Acha, level field book
and enter the above readings.
and enter
The above
the above readings
and also calculate the
and also calculate
the
hmm,
reduced level of the point
reduced
by
point
by the collimation system
by the collimation तो हो गया ठीक है
and that rise and fall system.
rise and fall method rise and
And fall system.
fall method or system.
This much only.
So now the question is the following consecutive reading were taken with a level and a 4-meter staff on a continuously sloping ground at a common interval of 30 meters. That is, the many more values are here. And the reduced level of the first point A was 180.750 meter, and the rule out the page of the level field book and enter the above readings and also calculate the reduced level of the point by the rise and fall method. Okay, so अभी तो फील्ड वर्क जब भी होगा तो उस टाइम जो लेवलिंग होगा लेवलिंग के टाइम पे ये राइज एंड फॉल मेथड में ये भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा और कोऑर्डिनेशन मेथड में भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो ठीक है तो फील्ड वर्क में कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा कोऑर्डिनेशन मेथड में आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द कोऑर्डिनेशन मेथड इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास सो देयर आर different type of columns that is station next is distance after that is reading so there are 3 types of reading that is BS IS and FS so next is the height of the instrument and next is the reduced level and after that the remarks so first one is the station so here in our question the reduced level of the fast point A was 180.750 that means the fast point the station first station was first station is A. And after that the continuously sloping count at a common interval of 30 meters so that means the distance the fast distance from the station 1 is from the station A is 0 and after that the second reading we can take the second reading after 30 meters. So next third reading after 30 meters, that means 30 plus 30 is 60, and next reading 30 plus 30 plus 30, that means 90. So up to the last reading we can get the distance. Distance क्या मिला था last reading का 0.245 का
Uh,
2.454 का
Sir, 330 meters.
30 meter.
330. So after that the readings, so when you go for the readings, at the time the readings, so three types, that is the BS, FS and IS, BS, IS and FS. Okay, so the first reading is obviously BS. So the first reading, that means 0.78 is the BS. So after that all the readings are the intermediate reading or intermediate side, that means the 1.535, 1.95 and 955, 2.430, 2.985 and the 3.480. So after the 3.480, so there is another fall, that is 1.155 and 1.960, etc, etc. So that means the 3.480 is considered as the FS. So after FS there is another BS reading. So this after FS the BS reading is 1.155. Okay, so after the 1.155, all the readings, that means 1.960, 2.365, etc, etc, the intermediate reading. So after the 2.365, the 3.640. So after 3.640, the another fall is there, that means 0.935. So that means 3.540 is considered as the FS, and the 0.935 is considered as the BS. So after considered the BS, that means the 0.935, the 1.045 and another 1.630. This reading, these two readings are considered as the IS. And after that, the last reading, I already said that in our previous class, that the last reading is considered as the FS. So that means 2.545 is considered as the FS reading. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? किसी को कुछ doubt है? Any doubt?
तो लास्ट क्लास में नहीं था तो अच्छे से समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा ठीक है, राइज एंड फॉल मेथड देखो. राइज एंड फॉल मेथड में थोड़ा सा जो रीडिंग का चैप्टर है, रीडिंग क्लियर हो जाएगा, लेकिन कोलिनेशन मेथड के लिए रिकॉर्डिंग है. अगर रिकॉर्डिंग भी दे सकते हो, अगर कुछ टाइम मिला तो मैं कोलिनेशन मेथड भी कोशिश करूंगा कि इस क्लास में कवर करने के लिए. तो फर्स्ट एक कलम बनाओ.
স্যার
हाँ এরকম.
স্যার বলছিলাম কি যে ফিল্ড ওয়ার্কে কোন মেথডটা বেশি মানে প্রিফার করা হয়?
আমি কি বললাম যে র্যাপিড ইউজের জন্য আমরা সবসময় ইউজ করব কোলিনেশন মেথড
ওকে,
ফর দ্য র্যাপিড ইউজ. আচ্ছা.
আচ্ছা.
But the simplest form of the simplest form and the simplest methods is the rise and fall method.
ওকে স্যার.
Hmm. Previous collimation जैसा ही R to reading तक same column होगा. हाँ. That means first one is the station, second one is the distance, and the third one is the reading.
স্যার দুটা দুটা মেথড কেন হয় স্যার একই কাজের জন্য? দুটা আলাদা আলাদা মেথড হচ্ছে।
বলছি থামো, গ্রাফ টেবিলটা বানাতে দাও, বলে দিচ্ছি. টেবিলটা তৈরি করো, সবাই টেবিলটা তৈরি করো. First is station, second is distance, That is reading. That is BS. That is the intermediate side. That means IS. And BS, IS, and FS. There is FS. Okay. So Kaushik, two
Yes,
methods
sir.
are basically used. That is the collimation method, and another one is the rise and fall method. Basically, the collimation method is the more rapid method. So, but the rise and fall method is the simplest but slow method. So that means collimation method में क्या होता है कि जो भी difference है, that means BS, IS और BS FS, ठीक है, और IS FS का जो difference निकल के सिर्फ RL reduce level calculate करने से ही हो जाएगा, ठीक है. लेकिन जो जब और हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैलकुलेट करोगे तो हो जाएगा. लेकिन जब भी राइज एंड फॉल मेथड आएगा, राइज एंड फॉल मेथड में आरएल भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा, दैट मीन्स द रिड्यूस लेवल, एंड उसके बाद राइज हो रहा है या फॉल हो रहा है, ठीक है, ये भी देखना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स राइज और फॉल का जो कैलकुलेशन है वो भी करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. सो इसके एक्यूरेसी बहुत ज्यादा है फॉर द राइज एंड फॉल मेथड. And these methods give the visual indication of the topography. So for this reason, both methods are basically used, collimation method and also the rise and fall method, but the collimation method is more rapid. Clear?
Yes, rise and fall method is accurate, but it takes time.
Yes. अच्छा, next अभी देखो कि यहाँ पे so the station, so the what is the first station? Station A is the first station. Now the destination, sorry, distance. So distance is no, first distance is
Zero,
zero.
zero, zero.
Yes, first distance is 0. Our first reading is 0.78. So this 0.78 is what? 0.78.
0.78 BS.
Yes.
Yes,
Backside.
backside reading. That means 0.78 is our backside reading. So after that, the next reading is what? What is our next reading?
IS
Intermediate.
1.135.
1.535.
Oh yes, 1.535. ठीक है, 1.535. So for which distance? Our next distance is 0 plus 30.
30.
But the common interval is 30 meter. So that means 0 plus 30. So here is the distance is 30. So our next reading is what? 1.955. So this 1.955 is also the IS. And for this 1.955, the distance is 30 plus 30. That means
60.
60. So for 0, it is the BS. For 30, the value is here. For 60, value is here. Now next is next value 2.430. Next value is 2.430. कहाँ पे जाएगा?
2.430.
IS में ही
Same
रहेगा.
IS.
But the distance next 30 interval, that means 60 plus 30, 90. Clear? Next value
2.985.
2.985. BS, IS or FS?
IS.
IS.
Yes, that is good. 2.985 is the IS value. For which distance?
90 plus 30.
120.
120. 90 plus 30. 120 distance. Okay. Okay. So here is the for it is for 90 and this value for 120. Okay. Next is
3.480 IS
3.480.
in 150 meter distance.
3.480 IS.
Sorry, 3. FS.
3.480. Why 3.480 is FS? Because the after 3.480 at the another fall is here. That means 1.155.
Yes.
So the value of value 3.480 is the FS value. 3.480 is the FS value. Okay. And जहां से FS खत्म हुआ वहां से ही BS भी स्टार्ट होगा. ठीक है. तो जहां से FS खत्म हुआ that means 1.480 वहां से BS स्टार्ट होगा. तो the BS value is
1.155.
155 is the BS value. Okay. For which distance?
150 meter.
150.
For 150. Okay. Very good. That means for 150, here is the BS value and here is the FS value. Next is 1.960. 1.960
IS
IS value.
IS.
1.96
distance 180.
IS value. Distance 180.
180.
Good. Distance 180. Next value 2.2.365.
2.365. At a distance 210.
Next point 2.365.
2.365.
2.365 के लिए जो डिस्टेंस होगा 210. So this 180 के लिए 1.960 for 210. The IS value is 2.365. Okay, next value is 3.640.
FS.
FS में होगा.
FS, good. Why FS? Because after that, the another point is 0.935. So another fall is here. So that means the FS value is 3.640. Very good. And IS value
BS value will be 0.935.
0.935. Okay. For which distance? For 120
Two-
plus 30, 240. Okay. Value is for the 240 value. The BS is 0.935 and the FS value is 3.640. Okay. Next value is what?
1.045.
045.
IS.
FS.
What? FS?
IS,
Sorry,
sir.
IS. I'm sorry. IS.
That means 1.45 for the distance 270.
70.
For 270, there is another IS value that is 1.045.
1.0.
Next value
Next value 1.630.
1.630.
1.660. 1.360 is another value and 1.630 for the distance
300.
300.
300. For the distance 300,
Now last distance is FS 2.545.
consider the last distance as the FS. So that means the FS value is 2.545. Okay, for the distance 330.
330.
330. Okay. ठीक है. जो 330 पॉइंट है उसका स्टेशन क्या है? फर्स्ट स्टेशन इज ए एंड जो एंड स्टेशन है कंसीडर द एंड स्टेशन एज बी. सो दैट मींस द हियर इज द कैपिटल बी इज आवर एंड स्टेशन. अच्छा, जो पिछले क्लास में नहीं था उसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो भी डिस्टेंस है. So distance means the question में देखो कि continuously sloping ground at a common interval of 30 meter. That means after 30 meter a person will take a reading of after the 30 meter interval. So that means the first distance is 0 and after 30, after 60, 90 plus 30, that means 120, plus 30, that means 150, etc., etc. So first reading, the first reading is 0.78. So this 0.78 is considered as the backside, and the after that, after the backside, all the distance is considered as the intermediate side up to the FS. So FS means the last point where the another fall is occur. So that means the last point is 3.480. So after that, the value is decreased. So that means 1.45, no, 1.155. So that means 1.155 is considered as the BS. So next, as 1.960, 2.365 is also the IS value, that means in intermediate side. So after that, after the 3.640, the next value is 0.935. That means the another fall is occurred. So the 3.640 is considered as the FS, and the 0.935 is considered as the IS, BS. So next 1.045 and 1.630 is considered as the IS value, and the last value is considered as the FS. So that means 2.45, 2.545. Any doubt?
No, sir.
अच्छा. Next for the collimation method, वहाँ पे था height of instrument HI and next था reduce level. लेकिन यहाँ पे height of instrument नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे consider हो रहा है rise and fall. So that means next column is rise and another is fall. Okay. Next is the reduce level. So first, right here, the rise, and here is the fall. And next one is the reduce level. RL value. Rise, fall, and RL. So no rises here. So all the values are in the downfall direction. So first RL, what is the RL value for the first distance 0? What is the RS value?
3.750.
180.750.
Yes, sir.
So for the first RL value, first RL value for 180.750, 180.750. अच्छा, अब देखो कि फॉल कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा. फर्स्ट BS रीडिंग इज 0.78 एंड नेक्स्ट जो भी फॉल हुआ है वहां पे, वो फॉल होने का बाद जो रीडिंग आया है वो है 1.535. ठीक है, क्यों फॉल हो रहा है? देखो कि ग्राउंड था ऐसा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक रीडिंग लिया है, यहाँ पे फॉल मींस माइनस वैल्यू. सो यहाँ पे फॉल का वैल्यू था फर्स्ट रीडिंग के लिए 0 के लिए 0.78. नेक्स्ट फिर से फॉल हो रहा है, इसलिए 1.135 फॉल हुआ है. नेक्स्ट जो फॉल हो रहा है वो 1.955 फॉल हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट द फॉल वैल्यू? So first fall for the second value. Achha. How can you calculate the fall value? That is highest
1.535 minus 0.78.
0.78. Very
IS
good.
minus BS.
IS minus BS is the fall value. So what is the difference of IS minus BS? That is 0.755, I think.
Yes, sir.
0.755. Yes. So how can we calculate the reduce level? we can calculate the reduced level as per the previous one. That means the collimation method. So in the collimation method, 180 we can calculate the reduced level from the 180.750 minus 0.755. So what is the reduced level for?
So
179.99.
179.995.
Yes, 179.995. अच्छा, कलिमेशन मेथड में भी देखो, कलिमेशन मेथड में वैल्यू आरएल का वैल्यू क्या आया था?
सेम ही था।
सेम था, ठीक है, सेम ही तो आएगा।
सर स्टार्टिंग में वो रिड्यूस लेवल कैसा है 180.750?
तो क्वेश्चन में है
Clear रहेगा।
द रिड्यूस लेवल, यहाँ पे देखो एक मिनट, the reduced level of the fast point A. The reduced level of the fast point A was 180.750. अच्छा, next fall बताओ, value of fall
0.42.
point, calculate करो, calculate करके रखो। Okay, for the distance of the 30 meter, the 0 to 30, the difference between the IS and BS is 0.755. Okay, so after that, for the distance of the 60 and 30, what is the difference? What is the fall? What is the difference of
0.42.
IS? 0.42. 0.42. Okay, so next the fall is 0.42. So what is the reduced level value? 190.995 minus 0.42, that means the 179.575.
179.575.
देखो for the collimation method में same आया था या नहीं? The reduced level for the 60 distance 60. Collimation method and the rise and fall methods are same. The value of the collimation and rise and fall for the distance 60. कलिमेशन मेथड में डिस्टेंस 60 के लिए रिड्यूस लेवल क्या आया था?
सेम।
नेक्स्ट फॉर 90, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ फॉल?
0.475.
0.475. ओके, ठीक है, और रिड्यूस लेवल?
So 179.1.
1. Good. The fall value for 120?
0.555.
0.555. So what is the reduced level value? That means the reduced level value 178.
178.545.
Very good. Next, what is the difference for the 150?
0.495.
0.495. So how can you calculate the difference of the 150?
So FS minus IS.
ओके, अच्छा, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग क्या होता है कि एफ एस माइनस बी एस कर देता है, लेकिन एफ एस माइनस आई एस होगा। सो व्हाट इज द रिड्यूस लेवल वैल्यू?
178.05.
178.05.
05.
Okay, 170.05. Okay, next value?
0.805.
0.805. Okay, for the 0.805, the reduced level value is 177.
177.245.
Very good, very good. Next, what is the fall value for 120? Sorry, 210.
0.405.
0.405, and the reduced level value
176.840.
17840. Okay. For the next point, value of RL 1.275. 1.275. And reduced level का value
So 175.565.
565. Okay. अच्छा. Fall value next for the 270.
0.11.
0.110. Okay. And the reduced level value
175.55.
175.55.
okay 175.55 175.455 ना
455.
455. अच्छा, next value of fall
0.585.
okay, the reduced level value
174.870.
174.870. Okay, and last value of fall, that means 1.5915, and the reduced level
173.955. So 955.
173.955. So how can we go for the arithmetical check for the collimation method? The summation of BS minus summation of FS निकल के फिर से RL of the first point and RL of the second RL of the last point minus RL of the first point टैली किया था, लेकिन इसमें क्या होगा, फिर से BS summation of BS minus summation of FS. So what is the value of the summation of BS minus summation of FS? The summation of BS and FS value is same as per the collimation method. That means minus 6.795, isn't it? Summation of BS minus summation of FS. Okay,
Yes.
that means minus 6.795. Okay. Now next, find the summation of rise minus summation of fall. Here the summation of rise is 0 minus summation of fall. Summation of fall निकालो. Calculate.
রাইজ কখনো হবে, রাইজও মানে মিডিলে অনেক সময় হয়
হ্যাঁ
না,
rise
মানে
হবে
এখানে
যখন দেখবে
হলো
যে
না
হ্যাঁ
স্যার।
বলছি, যখন রাইসের দেখবে যে এখানে একটা ভ্যালু আছে, ফার্স্ট ভ্যালু ইজ 0.78 0.78 एंड द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू इज 0.35. सो दैट मींस वहां पे राइज नहीं हो रहा है, वहां पे फॉल नहीं हो रहा है, वहां पे राइज हो रहा है. क्यों राइज होगा? क्योंकि वहां पे वैल्यू बढ़ चुका है. वैल्यू देखना पड़ेगा. जहाँ पे 0.35 हो गया, 0.5 हो गया, अगर 0.2 हो गया तो फिर से राइज हो जाएगा वहां पे. So that means the difference will go to the rise portion.
স্যার ওই যে 120 মিটারের পরে 2.985 এর পরে তো মানে একবারে 3.480 পরে তো একবারে কমে গেল না,
3.480 না,
1.960 হয়ে গেল স্যার।
3.480 is the FS value. The FS value তো লাস্ট পয়েন্ট, সেখান থেকে তো আমরা আবার কনসিডার করব 1.155 টাকে ফার্স্ট পয়েন্ট হিসেবে, বিএস হিসাবে. FS is the first, আমরা কনসিডার করব, we can consider a point, the first point to first BS point to FS point. So FS point is our last point. So after FS point, next is the BS to FS. তো আমরা সেই স্লটটাকে ইউজ করি, ফার্স্ট BS to FS, সেকেন্ড BS to FS, থার্ড BS to FS. বুঝতে পারলে? আমরা FS এর পরে আর কিছু আমরা কনসিডার করব না. FS is the last point. ক্লিয়ার?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, মানে আবার যদি মানে বেশির থেকে কমতে থাকে 1.535 এর যেমন হচ্ছে বাড়ছে 1.535 1.955, সেটা যদি উল্টা হয় তাহলে তখন
তখন আমরা রাইজে চলে যাচ্ছি আমরা সেটা ফর দ্য হিলি এরিয়া. আচ্ছা, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সামেশন অফ ফল হিয়ার?
6.795.
95. So here the rise is 0 minus 6.795. That means minus 6.795. So the summation of BS minus FS is also minus 6.795. So the both are same. Clear? And also the last RL and the difference of the last RL and last first RL. So here is the last RL is 173.955 minus the first RL is 180.750. So the difference is minus 6.795 also. So the arithmetical check is over. and the difference of fs and summation of bs and fs, and also the summation of rise and fall, and the last RL minus past RL are same. Clear? Rise and fall method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students, please enable your video.